Let's go, boy. All right. Load her up, bud. You're gonna do it. Oh. Yeah. Easy. Right.
That wasn't even bad, just being lifted. Kind of like hit me in the chest. It didn't, but like, I was like, oh.
Dude, easy.
Hell yeah, bro.
Got that steep incline, you know. Try it in my truck.
Yeah, while we're here, you want to put an SVG, we should put SVG John on there.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah.
Big ass white one. I think the big white one would fit right here. The 10x15 banner.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh shit. That's a steep one.
Yeah, loading up the 21.
Shit, dude, this thing's a lot heavier than the Cali.
Yeah, bro, that thing's long.
Dude, I like, just to like roll it up to there, I was out of breath. Fucking heavy.
She's in and ready to rip, boys. Man, that's a piece. That's a straight unit. He just got it. This is probably, he's put his braking miles in on it, I think. That's 21 CRF250. He buys a new bike. He had a Cowie 250. Fire, dude. We're gonna test it out today. See how she does.
Let's go, baby.
Wait, what? Yo, I need some of them. Damn,
It's
son.
shiny too. And the straps are like you pull them back.
Yo, whoa.
It's fucking not, no clips or anything.
Active lock.
It's not fucking wobbly, sound like my old one.
Yeah. Need some WD-40 up in them things, man.
Whew. Breaking in everything tonight.
Right, bro? Oh, dude, I can see the double headers right here. It looks sick.
The what?
It has 2 headers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, wow.
I didn't know that. Like that thing that goes around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy
Sick. Fuck, I didn't even notice that.
This thing is hot, dude. Good job, Levi. Oh, yeah, boy. Eating it up, baby. Yeeks. This setup is sick. Get your stickers, baby. Get your stickers. Track is not looking the best, but I mean, it just turned spring, so we gotta get a hard groom on. Get a fire going, dude. Lit. You, baby! You! That's backwards, Levi. That's not right. That's funny though. It kind of looked like it went better for the pitter. Because they weren't actual jumps. Maybe you should hit the big track backwards on the pitter, and that's pitter track.
It was like a super mini.
Dude, yeah, low key. Yeah, so what do you think of the suspension?
Dude, that's fucking nice.
Yeah?
Definitely more suitable for...
Yeah, right? Like an actual guy. I want Jake to try it out.
Oh yeah, dude, I accidentally fucking touched that when I was riding. I was like, oh shit, it's on me.
Colton bent the lever a little bit actually already.
What?
Yeah, he went over.
Damn, that kid fucking broke that.
He went over doing a wheelie, and yeah, he sends it
back?
Yeah, look at this fender.
Jeez, what the fuck? What happened? Like, why is it like?
I just went super 12 o'clock and sent her over.
On the road?
Yeah, my road.
Oh my god.
Ah man, it's just you know what happens, man.
Yeah.
But dude,
Always clean.
yeah, how do you like the bars? Is it easier to pop up also?
Oh yeah.
Like
definitely.
easier to pop up?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Dude, I don't know.
Actually ride wheelies on this shit now.
Dude, I gotta try them in third. That should be dope. It actually does have a clutch, low key, if you didn't know. Like if you hold the shifter down in second gear, if you hold it down halfway, it's like in limbo in the gears, and you can let it up and it'll be in second gear. Like it's kind of like a clutch drop.
Oh wow.
That's
I never knew that.
Yeah, that's how you pop the wheelies, but be careful because it'll throw you literally around your back.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's how you pop wheelies on these things, by the way.
So you just like, like,
Yeah, it's like if you try to put it in neutral, you just hold it in neutral per se, and then let it go, and it'll pop the clutch.
wow.
rev it up, pop it, pull back.
Dude, this is a whole new animal.
Whole new Annie.
Like, this is disgusting, dude.
Hell
You
yeah.
can- before you'd have to like monitor what you hit, because like anything you'd bottom out. But
Yeah.
like, I hit that thing pinned now and it doesn't even bottom out and I land flat.
Oh, you want to get a little...
Fucking, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, a little cozy.
Yeah, yeah.
Jump bigger.
Yeah.
Big stroke.
Dude, big
Dude, it
sense.
feels like a big bike on a big track.
Dude, literally.
It feels so cool.
It's so crazy.
You just feel so much more up.
Yeah, like you actually have like confidence in the bike a little
gas?
bit. Yeah, you should have seen them, dude. Those stock springs in the front were about half the size of the new ones. And they actually have spacers in here. The stock spacer was this big, I swear to God. And
Damn,
then,
so it's a full spring now?
yeah, this spring goes from like here to all the way down here, and the spacer's like that big.
It's nice. I mean, you can see where it goes too,
Yeah.
but it feels so much harder. Like,
Yeah, fucking takes it.
I'll do like a big.
All right, bet. Live action, baby. Ew. Woo. Dude.
Oh my god, dude. It literally lands better than my 250 would.
Yeah, dead ass. It might even my suspension is softer than that. Now you say that.
Yours is a 14, mine's in
15, I think. I think they're both 15s. I don't know how that happened, but yeah.
felt a little difference in width.
Yeah, width.
Oh, you put
Yeah, I put that thing down there because it wouldn't reach up there. And this one's still up there. Throttle ain't bad. Fucking sick, dude.
Can you put big bore kits on these?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can build it. I'm kind of waiting for it to blow up so I can build it. Oh!
Dude, you know what I'm waiting for?
Huh.
Is for someone to go over that with a big bike and shoot a rock and fucking smash your window.
Oh! That's a good point.
He flies by there, he's gonna kick up rocks and smash
Yeah, like a
the shit
rock
out
in the
his
window.
You gotta make a parking spot.
Yeah, boy. Let's go, boy. is
Yes, sir. Shine that.
2:16 in the morning.
We got the scope.
Taylor Johnson.
Tell John. Oh. It's like fucking a little bit of poundage. Oh my god. I mean, dude, we made it this far. It might as well just be rocket time.
What?
Rocket time, dude. Why not?
You got more rockets?
Did we got a fucking rocket?
Yeah,
Probably.
Levi.
We got a telescope outside. Come look at the moon. Telescope, boys. Telescope, literally. So we're gonna go launch a rocket now.
Dude, I told Colin, bro. I was like,
the big one.
it's rocket time, dude.
Look at you running.
The white one. No, you don't have to run. You just have to stand there and just be like, ah, rockets.
Boys, can we stand still for a second so this doesn't shake?
No way it's shaking.
No, but it makes me shake.
What? You just said no lights.
Hey. This is like fucking my brain up.
I think it's sick how you can just see everything.
Dude, you can see everything.
Matt, I see the ring you're talking about. Like way the fuck out
Where
there.
the fuck have these motherfuckers been?
Fucking idiots.
God damn it.
That shit's charged up and ready to go.
No, we actually this was not bird.
Send it, bud. Get it.
Oh, missile, dude. Yeah.
Hey.
What? What was that? Who put a mirror in that?
We didn't do that one.
No.